These are one of one. You can't get these anywhere else.
Nope.
My parents have always been really avid outdoor people.
Oh my gosh, and there's more. There's more outside.
We are in holiday mode.
Mom does everything.
Mom really does do everything. We're just trying to keep up with her.
There's no such thing as bad weather, only bad clothing. In Ranch, we trust.
Straight from Poland to you.
Oh man. One campfire roll.
Wow.
Jingle
The mood is right.
It's okay. I'm Jena Stopczynski with Visit South Bend, Mishawaka, and we're at InRugCo, a family-owned hidden gem, a homemade haven around the bend. Let's go explore. Hi.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Lindsay. It's nice to meet you.
InRugCo, I know, has been around since 1985, and that is not this particular shop, but tell me a little bit about how InRugCo got started.
My mom is the one that started the business. So she started out of a 2-stall garage because she wanted to be able to stay home with her kids. We make customary rugs. We've always made customary rugs. We still make customary rugs, but we thought like around the holidays my mom would do like craft markets and she would sew teddy bears and she would make pillows and all kinds of things. Then we all kind of grew up in that process. So my sister joined the company. We have an older sister and then my brother Clark and myself. What are the things we like? What do we want to see in a store that isn't around here? And so my brother moved back home from Colorado, I moved back home, and we just kind of all put our heads together and came up with the store that you see now.
These are one of one, right?
Yes.
No, you can't get these anywhere else.
Nope, we design all of them. The newest one being Townies run this tailgate, which we think is fun, because Townies like to tailgate too. We gotta pay homage to the permacloud that we all know and love so well here in northern Indiana.
And I see one that I absolutely have to take a look at here. Look at this. The bend. Now I think we need one that says around the bend. We might need to figure that one out. 206 miles to Lake Michigan.
Those are handmade by a potter in Shipshawana.
So not only do we have the shirts, the mugs with the local stuff, I saw Notre Dame pillow over there, but we also have your stickers, which I know are fan favorites.
Yeah, so we're kind of obsessed with stickers. Our whole family, our whole life's kind of been obsessed with stickers. You go somewhere cool, you want to get a sticker to remember your trip. East Race Waterway magnet, that's my dad on his bicycle.
There's more back here.
Hey, I'm Clark.
Jena, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm Lindsay's brother.
That's awesome. Family-owned business.
Family-owned
business.
Yeah, to a T. From a young age, I was always raised with the notion of like, you got to dress right for the weather. And you know how harsh the winters are here. So when it came time to expand, we were like, we have to bring in the best socks and footwear we can find.
There's no such thing as bad weather, only bad clothing.
Well, let's go to the back room now. It's full of clothing for men and women.
Awesome. Let's check it out.
After you.
All right, it looks like we have some purses and stuff here too. I'm digging this.
Yeah, it's a journey along the way to the back room. We have our little jewelry and purse hallway bazaar. Somebody in the family has tried it, or they heard about it and they wanted to try it, and there's lots of different personalities in the family. They all kind of like balance each other out.
Ooh, these are cool. That's very Irish green right there. You know, if I'm shooting the sidelines at Notre Dame with those sparkly green bows, I mean, that would be really bad.
Quality clothing, ethically made.
Oh my gosh, and there's more. There's more outside.
Welcome to Paradise Patio.
Love it. And it's all holiday right now.
We say it changes with the seasons, so we are in holiday mode. Everything out here is for your outdoor space. You know, your yard, your garden, your patio.
We have more ranch.
When we do special events, this is like, we'll have like our appetizers and our drinks up here.
Oh, very cool. So you guys host events here too? Okay.
Yeah. Like Small Business Saturday, we run 3 registers. We'll sample bakery goods or, jingle juice.
Jingle
when the mood
juice.
Is right.
Okay. So you mentioned baked goods. I think we got to check that out.
Absolutely. I'm a little biased, but my mom does all the baking, so.
Mom does everything.
Mom really does do everything. We're just trying to keep up with her.
These bagels are huge. The smell of a bakery is tough to beat.
I got to try those Danishes to make sure that.
You got to keep the people
Yeah,
safe.
I got to make sure Mom's on point. Straight from Poland to you.
Oh man. I think this is the perfect hat to serve ice cream in. So this is the house that the voice of Mr. Ed lived at.
Yes, believe it or not, it is true. He grew up in that house. And then, so to celebrate that, When we went to name our takeout ice cream stand, we thought, why not Talking Horse?
Talking horse. It's
Exactly.
perfect. It looks so cool. Let's check it out.
Yeah, let's go on in.
You're the ice cream pros.
It's our signature item.
Okay.
We call it a campfire roll. It's actually, I want to say it's a Czech style pastry.
We're in Talking Horse.
So here we're gonna put our ice cream in to the cone, and we always like to do a good amount. We'll do blueberries. I'll do blackberry.
Wow. One campfire roll.
Wow, thank you. Look at this thing. You know, I think I'm going to hand this back to you.
You know, I was eyeing it when I was in there watching them make it, so it's time for me to dig into this. Thanks for joining us at InRugCo. Come get your own chimney roll. Did I say that right? Doesn't matter.